Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Cloud's free platform to generate powerful AI videos using Vertex AI with VEO support. And the best part? It's completely free. Step 1. Open Cloud Skills Boost. First, open your browser and search for Cloud Skills Boost, not Google Cloud directly. Make sure to click on the second site that says something like Google Cloud Skills Boost. Skill building for everyone. Step 2. Search for generative AI. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type in generative AI. From the results, click on generative AI with Vertex AI. Step 3. Join or sign in. Now click on sign in or join. Log in with your Google account, then fill out the form details, like your name, email, and agree to the terms. Click Continue. Step 4. Start the lab. Click on Start Lab to begin. It may take about 1 to 2 minutes to reserve your environment. Step 5. Open Google Console in Incognito. Once your lab starts, right-click on the Open Google Console button and select Open Link in Incognito window. This avoids issues with personal accounts. Step 6. Give permissions. You'll be prompted to allow permissions. Accept all of them to access your Vertex AI environment. Step 7. Access Vertex AI Studio. Click on Vertex AI from the console sidebar, then go into Media Studio. This is where the magic happens. Step 8. Use VEO to generate videos. Inside Media Studio, click on VEO. You'll notice options like VEO, Fast VEO, and others. Paste your prompt into the input box and hit Send. The tool can generate up to 4 videos at once based on your prompt. Fast, easy, and free. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit subscribe for more tutorials like this. Just look at what amazing results this free site can give you, all powered by Google's own AI.